Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already need the auto shop and basic funds. Once owned, buy workshop tools and hire at least one tech so work actually happens. Start now by walking to the management terminal, open the auto shop menu, and choose either repair, custom work, or contract sourcing. Make sure to select an on-site vehicle or source one through the contracts list. This choice determines parts and payout. Doing the first job establishes cash flow and unlocks upgrade options. So act immediately and confirm technician assignments. Once done with setup, focus on job flow and upgrades to scale income. Assign technicians to bays, prioritize contracts by payout, and make sure part storage is stocked so jobs don't pause. Upgrade the lift and performance bench to cut repair times and increase profit margins. This matters because faster turnaround means more contracts per hour. While a job runs, juggle sourcing and marketing, accept higher value vehicles, do key mods, and cycle completed cars to the showroom or sell them through assigned deliveries. Finish jobs by verifying all required mods and repairs are marked complete, then retrieve the vehicle from the bay. Once done, choose delivery or sell directly from the shop. Collect payment and funnel profits into targeted upgrades for repeat efficiency gains. If something goes wrong, like missing vehicles or stalled jobs, make sure to check the shop's vehicle storage, reassign technicians, cancel and restart the contract, or rejoin a new session to force a reset. That single troubleshooting step fixes most workflow breaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.